Hi everyone, welcome to back my channel Data Science Genius. My name is Ikran. I am delighted to be here with you today. Very important topic discuss. So we are going to explore an important topic trying a pie chart. A pie chart is a type of graph that represents the data in the circle graph, and this is two names of the pie chart, and another name is a circle graph. The slices of pie show the relative size of the data, and it is a type of vectorial representation of data. A pie chart requires a list of categorical variables and numeric variables. Here the term pie chart represents the whole and the slices represent the part of the whole. And show the image pie chart, also known as circle chart, dividing the circle statistical graphical into sector or sections to illustrate the numerical problem. Each sector denoted a proportionate part of the whole. To find out of the composition of something pie chart work the best at the time. In most cases, pie chart replace other graph like the bar graph, line plot, histogram, etc. And then structure of a pie chart. A pie chart consists of following key component, and then first has circle shape, slice, labels, and last color. Circle shape, the entire pie represent 100% of the data. Slices, each slice represent a category proportion of the total slices. Labels, this indicate that each slice represent often including the percentage of the value. Different color distinguish between categorical. And then how to create a pie chart. Imagine, let's suppose, example, a teacher survey her class on the basic of the favorite sport of the student. The student above can be represented by a pie chart as following, and by using a circle graph formula. The pie chart formula given below it make a size of the proportion easy to understand. And then favorite sport games are as follow: football, hockey, cricket, basketball, badminton. It is also an all teacher survey, and then no to every student favorite sport is it. And step custom. First step of the survey: teacher the data into the table. Data in to add table, and then show the image as we say football, hockey, cricket, basketball, badminton. This is all the favorite sports game of the student. And football is a favorite student 10%, hockey 5%, student ki favorite है, cricket 5%, basketball 40, badminton 40, 10, and this all the favorite sport game of the student. And second step, add all the values in the table to get the total, and then show the image. You can add the total values in the table. Total student values are count 40. And step 3, next divided each value by the total and multiple by their 100 to get a percent. Step 4, next to know how many then show image football, hockey, cricket, basketball, badminton. As you know, this is are the sport game of the favorite student, and so I total multiple to 100 get a percentage of. We gain the percentage. This is formula. A total values in the multiple by 100. Then is his answer. Step 4. Next, to know how many degree for each pie sector we will take a full circle of 360 and follow this calculation below. Then show the table. The central angle of each component value is equal to value of the each component sum of the value of the all component multiply 360. Now we will show the pie sector of we need to take a full circle 360 and follow the calculation below. Now you can draw a pie chart. And step 3, draw a circle and use a protractor of measure the degree of each sector. Let us take an example for a pie chart with an explanation here to understand the concept of the better way. And show the image. Favorite sport percentage: football, basketball, badminton, hockey, circuit. All the slices show the percentage of the favorite game. Football percentage show the blue colors and basketball show the pink color. Badminton show the green slice and hockey orange color, cricket blue color, yellow color. This is all of the colors. In the next video, we will using the Python draw a pie chart. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more informative content to data. And until next time, take care and don't forget subscribe.